This podcast is sponsored by sciencebased.learning.com. Discover a passion-driven language learning system that combines ebooks, audiobooks, and videos with the science of spaced repetition. Maximize your learning and retention today at sciencebased.learning.com.
Mastering past participles in Spanish. Hado and ido. Explain it. Discover how to form past participles in Spanish using hado and ido, including exceptions. Essential guide for language learners seeking fluency. Understanding past participles in Spanish. Hado and ido. When learning Spanish, grasping the use of verb conjugations is crucial. One of the significant components of verb conjugation in Spanish is the past participle. For regular verbs, past participles typically end in edu or ido. Understanding this rule and its exceptions enables learners to form various verb tenses like the present perfect and past perfect, which are essential for fluent conversation. Regular verbs in Spanish are divided into three categories based on their infinitive endings: ar, and ir. The formation of the past participle depends on these endings. Regular ar verbs. To form the past participle of regular ar verbs, replace the ar ending with ado. Example: hablar to speak becomes hablado, spoken. Regular and ir verbs. For regular and ir verbs, replace the infinitive ending with ido. Examples: comer, to eat, becomes comido, eaten, and vivir, to live, becomes vivido, lived. Exceptions and irregularities. While regular verbs adhere to the patterns mentioned above, Spanish includes numerous irregular verbs with unique past participles. Here are a few notable exceptions. Hacer, to do, make. Hecho, done, made. Escribir, to write. Escrito, written. Ver, to see. Visto, seen. Decir, to say, tell. Dicho, said, told. These exceptions need to be memorized, as they do not follow the standard rules of past participle formation. Furthermore, some verbs might appear regular but exhibit irregular past participles in their compound forms. Applying knowledge, constructing sentences. The past participle forms are not used independently, but are usually paired with auxiliary verbs to construct different tenses. For instance, in the present perfect tense, the auxiliary verb haber is used with the past participle. He hablado con ella. I have spoken to her. Has comido la cena. You have eaten the dinner. Hemos vivido en España. We have lived in Spain. Understanding and memorizing both regular and irregular past participles significantly enhance your ability to express experiences and actions in the past. To further develop your Spanish grammar and vocabulary, explore the resources available at sciencebased.learning.com. If you are committed to mastering Spanish, get your copy of our comprehensive learning guide to elevate your command of the language.